In this video, I'm going to show you how to add row owners in Glide. First of all, head over to your Glide app. Now head over to the data section and go into the table where you want to add row owners. For example, if you have a table in which you have different tasks for different employees, or any other scenario where you want to assign certain rows to certain people so other people cannot access them, you can use the row owners feature. Once you are in your table, you need to create a new column and type in its name, anything like emails or row owners. In the type drop-down, select email because row owner is not a type given here, then click Save. After that, fill out these boxes with the emails of the people you want to assign to each row. Once you have done that, right-click on your email column name, then from the drop-down menu, click on the option Make Row Owner. After that, all the people who have their email in that row will own that row. For example, if I go to the layout section again, as you can see here, this data is no longer available for a normal person to access. If I select an email and view the app as that person, the task is available and can be interacted with. Similarly, as I switch the viewing perspective to different users, the tasks keep changing and they will only be able to see the tasks they are assigned, whether it is one or multiple. And this is how you can add row owners in Glide.